Welcome back to Cruise Deals. I got another Celebrity Equinox deal for October 23 for you. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and tonight I got another cruise deal for you. It's for October 8th, 2023. The reason why we're doing an October 8th, 2023 when I already have an October 22nd, 23 cruise deal for the Equinox, that deal sold out. So I needed to give you something else in case you guys wanted to cruise in October. And I needed to do this one fast because Celebrity will be pulling these rates from us very soon in about 2 weeks. That's when we get to the 120 days before sailing period. And when we get to that sailing period, guess what? Celebrity takes away our group rates and they're gone for good. So if you want to jump on a great cruise deal, let's listen to this one. Let us know if you want to get in on this deal. Just call up that phone number that I'm going to put down right there in the corner for you, and we will get you on this ship for one heck of a deal. And remember, if you like cruise deals, anything with cruising, think about subscribing and turn that notification bell on. We do cruise deals once a week. We do tips and tricks and reviews once a week. So think about subscribing, turn that notification bell on. It really does help us, and we are very appreciative when you do it. Thank you so much. If you have any questions about the cruise deals, leave them down below. I have no problem answering to your comments. Don't hesitate. Leave a comment down below. We will answer right back to you. All right, so let's get on with this cruise deal for the Celebrity Equinox on October 8th, 2023. First, let's talk a little bit about the Celebrity Equinox. The Equinox is one of the Solstice class ships. It's a great ship, really good passenger to crew ratio. We're talking under 2. Good food, good entertainment, wonderful bartenders. You will enjoy the heck out of this ship. I personally love that indoor solarium. It is absolutely gorgeous. And that observation deck on the top floors at the front of the ship, it's absolutely stunning. I'm going to be on her sister ship, the Eclipse, on October 28th. So we'll be pretty much traveling the same ship around the same time. It's a great ship. You'll enjoy her. Now let's talk a little bit about the Itinerary. The Itinerary is a great 6-night Western Caribbean itinerary. You'll be going to Cozumel, you'll be going to Grand Cayman, and you'll be going to Bimini in the Bahamas. Now, I prefer Bimini much more over Nassau. It's a great little itinerary. I think it's pretty much the best kind of Western Caribbean quick type of one you can do. Mainly because I love Cozumel, I love Grand Cayman, and heck, Bimini is a great choice. And now that we got the ship and itinerary squared away, let's talk about the most important thing, the pricing. So let's get some of the housekeeping done with these pricings that I'm about to give you. The pricing that I'm going to give you is for 2 people with the all-included package. The all-included package includes your tips, your Wi-Fi, and your classics drink package. It's also going to come with $250 onboard credit, and the deposit is 100% refundable. So that's for all the pricing that I'm giving you, folks. You get the classic drinks package, you get the basic Wi-Fi, you get your tips, you get your port fees and taxes included. So it's pretty much the price you see is the price you're going to pay. So we got 3 different classes of cabins that we can offer you here. We have 1 Aqua class cabin, we have 5 Concierge class cabins, and we got 2 verandas. Let's start off with the verandas. They're the cheapest. The price for the veranda is $2,271.04. That is all included, everything soup to nuts. And that $2,271.04 represents over $1,400 in savings versus the Celebrity website. Yeah, so if you went to the Celebrity website, booked the same exact room, same exact ship, same exact date with a refundable deposit, you're going to be paying $1,400 more. Now, the best deal overall for this is the Concierge class. The Concierge class is only $100 more than the veranda. So if I was you, I would pick this one. Basically, for the loyalty points, you get more loyalty points when you book a Concierge class. For $100, the 14 extra loyalty points, it's just a no-brainer. So the price for the C1 Prime Concierge class veranda, $2,371.04. Yep, $2,371.04 for 2 people, all included, Concierge class, soup to nuts, everything included. This represents a savings of over $1,800 versus the Celebrity website. Now, the final deal we have is for an Aqua Class A2 veranda. Aqua Class does get you access to Blue and the Persian Gardens on this ship, plus everything that comes with Aqua Class. It's like almost $600 more versus the Concierge Class, so it's really not a bad deal if you really want to go to Blue and you really like the Persian Gardens. The price for the Aqua Class is $2,831.04. This represents a savings of almost $1,700 versus the Celebrity website. Now, if you want any more information or you want to book this deal, feel free to give us a call to the number down below in the corner right there. Just give us a call. We'll answer it. We'll get you booked. We'll answer your questions. If you don't want to give us a call, there's a link down in the description. You can just fill out that form, put the information about this cruise. We'll get right back to you. And if you don't want to click that link, you can just scan this QR code. It'll do the same thing. Brings you to the form. Fill out the form. We'll get right back to you. So there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this cruise deal. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the YouTube algorithm. And if you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to comment down below. We love comments. We always answer to them. One more time, if you're not a member of this Cruise Seekers crew, think about subscribing. Turn that notification bell on. You'll get notified once we put out new cruise deals, when we put out new videos about tips and tricks and reviews. It's a good deal. It's free to you. It helps us immensely. Thank you so much. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.